Welcome back to Triplet Garage. Like I mentioned in the last video, I'm going to check for rubbing in wheel travel since the build. I don't have a ramp, so I just built one out of snow. So I was able to determine what's rubbing. Obviously it's already bent, but what's rubbing on that side. Drop I'm going to get on this side, and then how much bigger bump stops I need in relation to where the shock is bottoming out. Obviously I'm not getting an accurate view this side because this tire's still on the ground. More concerned with, don't let my truck crush me, where we are on this side. That shock's got quite a bit to go. You can see how much bigger of a bump stop I need there. And fortunately, it looks like I'm not going to hit on that side. Looks like I've already been hitting. But I don't need to cut too much. So I'll cut that out. See, pretty sure by just looking at that tire with another inch or so that I have, that it's going to be real close. And because it's on the wheel well, as I slide on the ground, and it's not on the slider, I think we're good. So there she is, homemade ramp. Do a little bit more work, and we'll do the front, disconnect the sway bar, and see what travel I get. All right, I will post the results. Thanks for checking it out.